everyone, I am Channon Rose, and in today's video I thought it would be fun to take you inside my kitchen and show you some of my most recent favorite vegan recipes. I am no expert cook or anything, but I do have to admit that there are some things that I make that taste really good, and those certain things I wanted to share with you guys. And then also my mom made some really yummy things with me recently, so I'm gonna pick 3 of my favorites. I'm gonna put them in this video. 2 of the things we make at my mom's house, one of them is a Larabar not replacement, but dupe, I guess you would say. They're so expensive at the stores, and we made one that's even better than the store-bought kind. And they're so easy to make. Everything that you see in this video is gonna be super easy. Because I don't cook well, I don't know a lot about cooking, everything that we're doing is beginner style. We're also gonna make vegan Alfredo sauce for pasta, and then last but not least, a tofu scramble breakfast burrito. They're all so delicious. So if you wanna see how we made that, it's not any fancy editing or anything, it's just come in our kitchen, very raw footage. If you wanna see some of those recipes, keep watching. We are getting ready to make some homemade Larabars.
1 cup pitted dates.
1 cup pitted dates. We're gonna put this in the Vitamix. We're aligning okay. It's no bake also, so you don't have to bake anything, which is awesome. Also, what else is awesome is all of my postpartum loss that's going back in.
And a quarter cup unsweetened coconut.
My brother's here hanging out. We're making Larabars. Have you had a Larabar before?
Okay.
A Larabar?
Coconut.
So no water or anything? You have that gray hair because I put you through hell when I was a baby. Not a baby, but a teen. Is that a pimple? No. It comes out like a ball.
It's not going to fit the whole thing because it's 9 by 9, so.
That's fine. What I can do if I want to make them like bars is I can cut into a square.
Read about it.
Do you put trying to think of an eco-friendly way to store it?
Oh, you could store it in a little glass container in the fridge.
Stick to each other? I would say
no, you could put a piece of this in between.
Yeah, but what's eco-friendly? This is not eco-friendly. Parchment paper. What's something that's reusable? Maybe even.
Well, we're going to be reusing it, using it for this and reusing it to store it with. 1 piece of paper.
Yeah. This is what it looks like. Very beautiful. And we're about to stick it in the fridge. Hello.
Hi.
I'm thinking my mom and I should do a cooking series where we bake and cook together vegan yumminess. What do you think?
Sure.
Yeah, I should do. Alright.
Pretty full in here.
It's alright. We'll make some space. This is not a vegan fridge. It's not a CA. Don't try to call me out.
It's okay, it'll close.
Yeah, I'm just going to stick it like that.
It'll close.
Okay. And we wait. How long did it say to wait?
I think it said 2 hours.
2 hours.
I mean, you don't have to.
What time is it? Oh my god, it's 11 o'clock. So as you heard in the clip, it was 11 o'clock at night when we made these. So we just refrigerated them overnight. And the next day, this is how they turned out. They were amazing. I'm pretty sure these would stay for at least a week in the fridge, but I can guarantee you, you'll probably eat them all before a week is over. So we take this sprouted tofu and then I crumble it down with a fork, and then I add in bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, a little bit of cilantro, nutritional yeast powder, and some parma. It's all vegan, and I don't measure it out. I just kind of wing it. I also forgot to mention that we did add a little bit of cumin and also olive oil in. So if you guys wanted to add that, you could. And feel free to, mix and match whatever spices you like to, try something different and see what works best for you. That's basically what you see right here. I know it doesn't look very appetizing. And if you're not used to eating this kind of stuff, you're probably like, that looks disgusting, but definitely at least give it a try, because I think you might be a little bit surprised. I'm just taking a flour tortilla. These are from Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna be putting butter all over it, and then I'm gonna like, I don't want to say fry it in a pan, but I'm just gonna put it in a pan to like warm it up and get it a little toasty on the edges, and then I'll show you what I do next. This is seriously probably one of my favorite things to eat right now. Next up, I'm taking vegan cream cheese. Most of this stuff is from Trader Joe's, in case anyone's curious. And the reason I'm doing cream cheese is because I'm out of chow cheese, but I used this yesterday as like a replacement, and I was like blown away at how delicious it was with the cream cheese. I'm just gonna keep making it with the cream cheese. I actually like it better than the regular cheese. And you can put this on toast, you know, sandwiches, really whatever you want. I love putting some salsa on it. And there is my little burrito, and it's so good. We're making vegan Alfredo sauce. It's delicious. So you take 1 1/4 cups of raw cashews. You boil water.
Turn it off.
And then you turn it off.
And then you put them in for 20 minutes.
And then you put them in for 20 minutes. You're gonna take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so you're gonna need 1 1/4 cups of those raw cashews, and you're gonna soak them for 20 minutes after you've boiled the water, and then you turn it off, and then you soak them, and only for 20 minutes. Then you take 1 tablespoon of arrowroot, 3 to 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegan Parmesan cheese, 1 to 2 cups of unsweetened plain almond milk.
Okay.
Okay.
Easy.
It's oatmeal with soy milk, maple syrup.
Yeah. You did.
You want a plate, or do I need to change your diaper?
Okay, now let's drain the cashews very quickly, and then we're going to put them in
Ready?
the Vitamix.
Can you see?
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Stir that in
Alright.
the sink.
And then we are going to blend it up.
Everything is in there?
Like so. Needs more what?
It needs to go more. You see there's big chunks in here?
No, there's no chunks. Look.
Yeah, do it more. Do it a little more,
I don't see any chunks though.
and then it's fine.
Alright. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, be sure to let me know by giving the video a thumbs up or leaving me a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, because I'd be happy to make them. So again, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. I know you have the choice to watch thousands of other videos, and so I really do appreciate you watching mine and taking time out of your day to watch the video. I hope that it was helpful. If you guys end up trying any of these recipes, let me know how you liked them. Thank you again so much for watching. I am sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah! Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Channon Rose, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite vegan recipes.